Hi, in this video we are going to implement arrow function. Now first we understand why arrow function we can use. So first we understand using example. Now first I create a function test, and here I pass x and y and return x plus y, and I call this and in console I print out console.log, call test method 10 and 20. I run this file. Result should be 30. So inside the function I add addition operation perform of value of x and y. Now I use arrow function. For that I add here test equal to now here x and y parameter, and it is equal to greater than, it is used for arrow function, and here function keyword it is not used when we use arrow function. Now I run this file. Now it is working. Result is 30. So this way we can implement arrow function in a JavaScript.